perspective this afternoon? Well, we're just about a minute away. We will end 120 points lower on the Nifty. The banks, which is, by the way, a 0.6% cut. The bank Nifty will end 0.6% lower as well. That's about 270 odd point cut there. Mid-cap and small-cap indices will do much better. The mid-cap index came off that surge which we saw, but still ends higher. The small-cap index is the one which really stood out with a full solid 1% gain, almost at the day's highest point. Rima.
Well, some of the notable large-cap movers. Tech Mahindra is finally the top Nifty gainer, up 2%. FMCG had a good day, barring something like an ITC. So Asian Paints up, Britannia up, Titan up, HUL also closing up in the green, Sun Pharma gaining, and HDFC Life higher in trade. On the losing side, ONGC ends with a cut of about 3.5%. Softness seen in many of these commodity names, perhaps to do with the weak China data. Hindalco Tata Steel under pressure, and Reliance Industries too takes a bit of a knock.
Last hour belonged to a bunch of these MSCI-related moves that Rima just pointed out. We saw a big move in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Bharti Airtel, actually, from the front line, was one of the big gainers, but Zomato ended about 4% higher as well. All in all, a decent day of trade, some profit booking, but at the same time, we did see a bounce back from important support levels. So a day of moderation, a day of profit booking, a day not really to worry. With that, we wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. But you stay tuned to CNBC TV18. On the other side, we bring you an exclusive conversation with the chairman of Vedanta, Anil Agarwal.